What's up? What's up? What's up? So the big old test of $20,000 for Bitcoin, guys. We are still in the neighborhood of this this key level, right? I'm gonna let some more people filter through. Let me know if the stream's working, if you can hear me and see the screen. Good morning, Boxer Burn. How you doing? You'd be happy to know that DOGE is moving too, Boxer, as we speak. We'll see if it can maintain. I think we need Bitcoin to maintain its level and not correct heavily for DOGE to remain bullish there. But yeah, it's looking pretty cool. All right, I'm just gonna grab the link to this stream and share it on the social media. So I'll be right with you in a second. Discord first. At everyone. Send out that blast. We are currently at resistance. Don't be alarmed by the thumbnail. It was just the thumbnail I had to represent resistance, right? All right, let me tweet it as well. We'll go on to Twitter. We'll say, yeah, a couple of hashtags happening in there too. Yep. All right, so from here, we are half an hour away from the daily close. G'day Mars, how you doing, mate? Crikey. We're still in the ballpark of $20,000 Bitcoin. I can't believe we're here already. This happened very fast. The last time I streamed was CPI, a little bit off schedule, but you know, the CPI data release happened at a very strange time compared to when I usually stream, so I had no choice. Now, yesterday I couldn't stream. Sorry about that. I wasn't at home at the time, but we had a hell of a day yesterday and today. I mean, this whole ramp up has been incredible, but I just want to try to provide the caution to everyone that I think is necessary here. Like, just the speed and velocity that we've come up here is very scary, and I would not be looking for long positions at the moment. You want to see at least, at bare minimum, some kind of pullback and consolidation at this level. You want to see consolidation here before going long, you know? Things need to relax before the next move can show itself. So we may very well lose this zone and come crashing back down. You know, seeking out the support of like 19K, just as an example, right? That's on the cards. That could very well happen. Something else that I wanted to show was just like a more macro perspective using the simple moving average, so the SMA. It's just a moving average, right? It's not exponential, it's just a standard moving average. So if we go to the daily and zoom out, this is a good way of just clearly seeing what's happening with trend. So you can see once we broke above the 200 daily with the price, you could consider that the starting point of the bull market. That was pretty much, if you want to go by definition of what a bull market is, it's when price is trading above the 200 simple moving average on the daily chart. Now, bear market, you could argue, is when price cracks down below the 200. So, some may have seen this as the start of this bear market. So, expecting, a crash further down. However, we got something out of the blue. We had another pump, which got us back bullish again here. There's a bit of ranging, so it got very noisy around the moving average, but this is the confirmed moment that we got back on the bull market. So that's what gave us our Bitcoin all-time high of $69,000. Now, obviously the market structure changed from this uptrend here. We had a low here, a higher low here, but then once we broke that recent low, that's when the market shifted back to a downtrend. Then we started playing with that 200 daily moving average to see if it would hold. Now this is what spelled the end of the bull market, breaking back underneath that 200 daily moving average. This was confirmation, is a rejection by the 200 daily, right? So here we are now, this is the first time in a long time that we've been anywhere near the 200 daily moving average. So what do we got? Less than half an hour until the market closes, until the daily candle closes. So if we can close this candle anywhere up higher than this 200 daily moving average, that'll be a good thing. That's going to be optimistic, right? But be prepared that there could be a retracement that brings us back underneath the daily 200. We'll just have to play it by ear and see how that goes. What's up, Honest? How you doing? Got 11 people connected so far. I think people are maybe busy trading rather than watching YouTube streams, but here I am anyway. Let's go to the daily. Other than that, yeah, I mean, there's not a hell of a lot to say, other than just let's see what happens in this area. We got the yearly high so far is $20,000 exactly to the dollar for Bitcoin against Tether on Binance. So this is the Binance Global spot pair. I believe this is the highest volume traded pair in the world for Bitcoin. So we'll see. I want to see if that's still the case. Let's have a look. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Sorry about that. I'm back. I just took a screenshot of the market list for Bitcoin. So we have BTC USDT spot pair as a $7 billion volume for 24 hours. 7 billion, 59,400,000. That is by far the largest Bitcoin market. This is why we look at the Bitcoin against Tether pairing on Binance, because it pulls the highest volume, right? If you want to get an even distribution of price, like an average of all these prices here, then the best bet would be to use the Bitcoin index chart, which is this Bitcoin US dollar index. So that gives you the most accurate representation of like Bitcoin's price, I would say. So what are we, like 22 minutes away? Market close. or not market close, sorry, daily candle close. So I'll put a vertical line for where that is, right there. Let's make it gray. So yeah, we're very much in the neighborhood. So let me bring up the Smart Money Concepts Indicator by LuxAlgo. Now this does a good job at showing the market structure. So you can see we had a change of character to the upside here. Break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. Change of character to the downside. Change of character back up to the upside. Change of character down, change of character up. So we're chopping around, we're trying to decide the direction. Now we are heading into the weekend. Once this daily candle closes, we're in a 3-day weekend because I think the stock market is closed on Monday in the US, if I'm not mistaken. Not sure why, I don't know what holiday that is. Does anyone know why? Leave it in the chat if you know the reason behind the Monday holiday. But yeah, the S&P 500. What's up, Serrano? Let me bring up the S&P 500 chart. Shiba, look at that. Shiba, nice. Here's the SPY. Look at how it closed today. It wicked up, got rejected by the trend line so far. What trend line is that, you ask? This one here from all-time high. So touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, touch 4 and 5. This would be touch 6. So 6 touches of this trend line here. If we're going to become super bullish, it'd be cool to see us break above that, back test as support before making higher highs and higher lows, right? That would be a break of this trend and a breakout of this falling wedge that the S&P 500 is currently in. Now, another interesting key here, another interesting factor is that we've got an inverse head and shoulders trying to form on on S&P 500 as well, right? There's your left shoulder, there's your head, here's your right shoulder forming, right? Neckline is a little crazy. Let's flatten this a little and stretch it out. So neckline would be top of the falling wedge. So this line here. When we get a clean break, that's when you might see the S&P 500 start to recover and rip upwards. But yeah, it hasn't happened yet. We need to wait for confirmation. I would say we need our Monday, Tuesday candle to not only break out and close outside, but I mean, even a back test would be nice. But yeah, I guess we'll have to wait and see. Now, we're not going to get a Monday candle. Oh, it's Martin Luther King Day. Thank you, Sean. Appreciate that. So Tuesday, scrap the Monday. Tuesday is when we get movement back on the S&P 500. Now, what else is coming up in calendar terms? We've got... So we're currently on Saturday the 14th. Let's go to the next week. Okay, Tuesday we have Empire State Manufacturing Index. Not sure what that is. PPI is on Wednesday the 18th of January. Now this is, mind you, this is in my time zone, but yeah, you can see what's coming up. We've got an FOMC member speaking next week as well. Now the following week, I just want to find where the funds rate is. I think that's in February, early February. There it is. The federal funds rate, the 2nd of February. So not next Thursday, not the Thursday after, but the following Thursday. So the 2nd of February. So we've got a few things happening before then. Let me just filter out the other events there. Add CPI. We're now in this week here. Oh, we're about to start this week. Sunday. So yeah, nothing on the cards for the next 3 days. Nothing significant. The SPY has left us to our own devices. I don't know what the S&P futures did post-market. Nothing too significant, really. What else we got? Let's check out the... this is the Dow Jones. Head and shoulders. I mean, inverse head and shoulders, right? Very clean. Now, its head and shoulders is a bit more angled upwards. So let me just use this line. So we know that was a rising wedge. I'll just delete that. Let's break that. And use this line here to get our neckline to this head and shoulders. Now, it's a bit hard to sort of tell where it is, but it's pretty much something like this. Now it is like an upward sloping neckline, which is kind of concerning. But nonetheless, we are on approach to that neckline. We'll see if we can get the break and move up. You know, truly correcting or getting the market back on track. It's still a long shot. Like we're not there yet, right? We've still got some work to do, but it is looking good. It's looking optimistic, right? So the NASDAQ, not quite as amazing looking as the Dow Jones, but the NASDAQ nonetheless. I think the S&P looks better than the NASDAQ. If we go back to that, yeah, the S&P looks a little healthier. It's got a higher low, right? So yeah, that's traditional markets. Very nice. Remember to smash up the like button, guys. Let's get some more people who come through here. Just dial up this music a touch. Is the music okay, or am I inaudible over the top of it? Trying to project my voice as clear as possible. So, what are we? We're about 14 minutes away from the daily close. Bitcoin, 1 minute chart. This is the zigzag that I can see right now. So we're kind of got like a little bit of a micro double top happening right now. And we're trying to see if we can hold this low here. If we lose that low, that is a break of structure to the downside and a continuation of this downtrend that we're on, this short-term downtrend. So rejection by 20K and pulling back. All right, that song's a little loud. Let me just, it's better. All right. Bit of regression trend on here. I just want to see if it's bull flagging. Kind of is. This was interesting. Coming up here, touching, like testing 19,000 for some time before finally getting the break and the back test. Now it wasn't a perfect back test, but it did pull back to see if it was going to hold, and yeah, we certainly held above that and rallied up. So really nice move there. Now, this little regression channel here, this channel is the one to keep your eyes on. I would say. Get it to where it links up the most price action. Maybe something like that. But this initial rejection of 20,000 has slowed. You know, we had a low, then a lower low, so that was kind of concerning. But now we are fighting to keep this level. 11 minutes to go until daily daily candle closes. Just gonna relax and let the chart play out, really. Not too much more to say about it. All I can say is be cautious and don't get your hopes up. Don't expect things to go above 20,000. You know, this could be a pivot. We could be dealing, or we may have seen a pivot. But yeah, let's just wait to see. We need confirmation, right? Not here to predict what's going to happen. If anyone wants to grab a link to the Discord, I'll put that up in the chat as well, and I'll pin it. Let me see what we got here. General. All right. Copy. Paste. Link to the Discord is there. Free to join. No strings attached. Go for it. What's up, Manny Popes? Hope you're doing well. We've got 9 minutes left. Sitting in the Discord, just chilling. Here's a nice little push. Can we recapture this high here and get above it, perhaps? That's what I'll be checking. That'll be a bit more of a bigger change of character, right? If we can get above that high. It's looking good so far. Looks like it might want to try doing it. Let's get a line, perfect line across. We'll make it a different color so it stands out. Yeah, not quite there yet. I think this regression trend, this channel here, is providing a little bit of resistance, but yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Ah, Serrano. How you doing?
What's up, mate?
Not much, man, just streaming. Audience is a little thinner today, surprisingly. 19 people. That's cool. People are probably busy trading.
It's also Friday and a holiday weekend in America.
Yeah.
It's a big ski weekend.
Yeah, yeah. Nice.
And there's snow fucking everywhere.
Ah, beautiful. I still haven't seen snow, but I'm very keen. Gotta go get my passport sorted out so I can come visit.
Wait, really? You guys don't have any mountains?
Nah. Well, Australia has it, but I've never been to the mountains where the snow is.
Where is the snow?
Victoria, southern New South
Victoria.
Wales. Yeah, yeah. Southern states. Yeah.
If you're gonna go see some mountains or go somewhere to see some mountains, you might as well just hop across the water to New Zealand.
Yeah, oh, New Zealand. Beautiful country by the look of it. Yeah. There we go. A little bit of a change of character there on Bitcoin. I'm gonna make that a dashed line so we can see it. I don't know if this smart money concepts indicator is gonna highlight that change, but I'll do it for you.
You could always go to Switzerland, go kick it with CZ. He's
Oh
on the
yeah.
slope shredding.
Yeah. Just gonna change this yellow line here to a neutral color. It's better. All right. So what do we got? 7 minutes to go. 7-minute abs.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is looking cool. Nice. Nice push. Close the day strong. That's what I want to see. We want to see a solid candle with no wick on the high side, right?
Yeah, it goes. Huh?
Trying. It's got a bit of work to do.
Yeah, they're trying to liquidate some of these shorts here.
Yeah.
They only got a few there on this this last 2 minute camp. Last 2 minutes, yeah, they got a few, but nothing special.
Yeah.
Not like earlier, Jesus.
Yeah, those. Oh man.
Did you still look at Agger trade and stuff? I was
The which
lit
one?
up like Agger trade, AGGR.trade.
Oh, that for the stocks.
No, for
Oh.
liquidations.
Oh, liquidations. Okay. No, I wasn't looking at that. Sorry.
Oh my god, that's the one that makes all the fucking
Oh,
noises.
the aggregator. Yeah, I wasn't.
Yeah,
I don't have that
yeah.
on, but I
Oh
might turn that on.
my.
I
Good night, dude.
yeah.
You would
I
have
don't.
loved it.
The aggregator. Oh, I'm sure it's buzzing right now. The aggregator
Since you like
during
those
this push.
fucking horrible sounds. Oh my god, it was going crazy.
We'll see if it's making any noise right now. Yes, it is.
Yeah, but on that, obviously, right after US close or whatever, oh my lord. That pop right there, oh my god, it was going ape shit. Like, I have it on my laptop, right? On my other computer, and I almost threw it out the window because it was so loud. Oh,
I'm just gonna fix up the levels with it, the aggregator, just so I can have it in the stream, but not so loud that it's deafening. Can you hear those bleeps and bloops, guys, in YouTube?
I guess I can turn on the volume on YouTube. I'll tell you.
Yeah, let me know if that's audible. Okay, I'll turn it up. I'll turn it up a little more. We need some activity. Yep, there you go. Okay. Obviously, you'll hear it when it happens. It goes diddle ding, like that Super Mario coin collection thing.
Yeah, you can hear it. If you could turn it down, probably just
Just a
another
touch.
smidge, it'd be
Yeah,
perfect.
yeah.
Yeah, just a smidge. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want it to be too deafening.
Because I have the stream on pretty low, and I can.
Yeah.
All right.
I think our voices definitely soar over the top of it.
Yeah, they are now for sure.
Yeah.
It was hard because I can hear you twice, and so I was like,
yeah.
It's not obnoxious, I would say.
Yeah, it'll start getting really loud,
It'll give,
and that's when it gets deafening. when it's all happening at once. Oh, T Black with the $4.99 super chat. Thanks, my dude. Appreciate that. How's it going? It's going very well. Hope it's going well for you guys too. So we're about less than 2 minutes away from the daily close. It's looking strong. It's looking like a good strong close. T Black again. Keep it up, super sticker. Appreciate that, man. Hope you're doing well in the market. I hope everyone's pulling some gains out of this activity. I know I have been, so it's been good. It's been good to get back into it, you know? Got 22 people connected. Smash up the like button, guys. Hit subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. Ooh. 1 minute left. This is the last minute of the day. And then we are officially into the weekend. So Friday, Bitcoin's Friday candle closing out. Whoa, T-Black, making it rain. You are amazing, dude. Appreciate that. I think we're going to close this day pretty strong. There might be a little bit of a wick on top of it, but it's looking good. I'm going to get rid of this line. We don't need that anymore. About 20 seconds left in the day. Please don't crash. Yeah, that's it. 10 seconds. 9, 8. The bell's gonna start ringing. We get that new candle. There it is. Daily close. Let's have a look at that daily candle. There's some cells. You can hear that blah blah blah. Oops. That is a nice solid candle there. That's a good daily close for a Friday. Very nice, very strong. Bigger than the previous day's close, price-wise. Weekend, my forecast for the weekend is consolidation. That's the way I see it. I mean, I'm not close to the fact that we might crack 20,000 over the weekend, but hey, this is my kind of sentiment for this weekend. Something like this, which is kind of like how we treated the previous weekend, right? Let me go to like the hourly chart. Now, last weekend was... Just gonna hide this smart money indicator, because I want to get a box drawn around last weekend just to see. It was the 7th and 8th, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 10 o'clock for me, 7th, to 10 o'clock on Monday morning is the weekend. So inside that box, look how flat it was. We had an explosion for the last part of the weekend, but for the most part, most of the price action happened flat. I will go back to the price in just a second, sorry. Sounds like it's bouncing around a fair bit. Let's get it snapped onto the lowest wick of the weekend. Something like that. There we go. So my point is, I think we could see something like this, just a chop sideways. Now, this is a 3-day weekend according to the S&P 500, so, and you guys in the US, it's Martin Luther King Day, so public holiday, and trading resuming on Tuesday. Go back to the 1 minute here. So we're fighting to hold this trend here that we're working with, right? Fighting to keep that alive, and maybe even come up and test 20,000 again. Just be here to let it play out. I might get a sneaky view of... I don't know where my aggregator went, but here it is. I found it. What I wanted to do is like sneak it on the side. So keep this over here like this, and then get the aggregator behind it, something like this. There we go, that's better. Ooh, look at this climb. Shooting back, gunning back to 20k. Look at all these huge positions. Okay, that's a big one. $1.1 million. I think we're gonna hammer through this. Just the velocity that we're approaching. Here's some sells coming in. People trying to open shorts. I'm not sure if these are liquidations or buys. I think they're buys. Buys and sells. Now, do you guys prefer the screen to be like this, or would you prefer... Let me get it here. Juan Diego Santos says, "What that neck do, Rick?" Do you prefer it like this, or do you want me to hide this panel? Like, so this chart's more full screen. Just you get the price. You get the price with that.
Panel skinnier.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, true. Yeah, that's nice. Yep.
Oh, that looks clean.
Yeah, better suggestion. Yep. Usually I put my face in here, but I can't be bothered today. I think the chart's pretty enough. Doesn't need my pretty face.
Oh, stop it.
This is an arm wrestle. Oh, oh. It's singing, man. It's singing.
That's hot. There were some big ones in there too.
Oh yeah. It's going nuts.
Like the different, see how there's like different shades of green?
Whoa.
And the...
Whoa, there we go. $3.7 million buy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, you see that one that has like the little like the animations in it?
Oh yeah, they're
Later.
the big boys. Yeah.
Yeah. Those are fucking, big position liquidations.
Oh yeah. We're getting this on the weekend too. This is just crypto, man. This ain't
20. 20.
I need to get that sample from that movie. It's alive. From I think it's Frankenstein. He says that.
Yeah, Frankenstein.
Yeah.
2100.
Damn.
For Binance futures.
Well, I think we broke that 20k resistance, guys. I think it happened. Is anyone still bearish on Bitcoin?
Of course they are.
Speak now.
Of course they are. We just saw them get liquidated.
Yeah, that's it. Well, hey, it's not too late to change your sentiment in the market. And by the way, by no means are we out of the woods yet, obviously. There's still a lot of work to do with price, but it is looking optimistic, there's no doubt about it. 20k is a very psychological level, very big psychological level. It was the higher... Yeah, I think we're going to dance around 20 for a while. Look at how we did that with 19. I'm going to go back to 19 here. We danced around 19,000 many times. Then we dipped massively for ages and then cracked it.
Yeah.
A similar thing happened with 18, I think. Yeah, we had a... Oh, this was actually a really nice example of a breakout trade. Look at that. Beautiful breakout trade right there on 18. Smashed it. Came up, consolidated for ages, and then got this violent CPI reaction.
Here we go again.
Yeah. And then here we are, huh? Big climb. Beautiful price action to capture on a live stream. Kind of historic. You know, Bitcoin recovering the damage that FTX did to its price. Crypto recovering the damage to price and market cap, right? Well, market cap being price. They're, you know, they tie in together. But yeah, these inflows must be, you know, these are multi-millionaires putting money back in, right? Buying it up. I don't know if you would... Yeah, it'd be I'm sure it's a combination of a lot of things, but
what's
something's
the max
going on.
leverage for Binance, and if they lower it?
I'm not sure.
Okay, we're also looking at a bunch of people that are more than likely using 20x plus.
Yeah, there's no doubt. A lot of it is attributed to short squeezing as well. Like there'd be a lot of shorts that are getting liquidated here, and when that happens, yeah.
Even the longs, you gotta think there's a lot of longs that are sitting up here just waiting to get filled. So just like there's FOMO shorts, there's gonna be FOMO longs.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And they're gonna get fucking rinsed, and it's gonna be great. Like I'd say that first 20 touch that we had, and the drop, that little drop from there, that was guaranteed a bunch of the longs that were sitting at 20 just getting rinsed real fast. But
yeah.
Need more shorts to go up, need more longs to go down.
Well, it's definitely a milestone. There's no doubt about that. Cracking 20k after being underneath so long. Oh, here's some big orders.
And now we need that 21.
I might leave this stream up for a while just to test out this this format, having the aggregator there with the music playing. Could be fun. This is big. This is a nice little move here. A lot of people buying here. This is big money. Big money. Bear's getting absolutely wrecked. Absolutely wrecked right now. Whoa! Whoa, Sally! Holy shit! Let's go. Okay, that...
Really big ones.
If you're not bullish yet, I don't know what the hell.
Some real... I don't know if you saw them, but there were some...
Oh, yeah. Look at all the people. I think these are orders. These are shorts, right? These are shorts going through. People trying to short it.
I don't know how your colors are set up.
I don't know if these are liquidations or new positions, like taken buys and sells. But that is dramatic. That's a nice move. Whoa! There's some serious action. This weekend's gonna be hot for trading, guys. Hot. It's a long weekend too, so a lot of people at home. A lot of people at home. Careful of that volatility. See, when things are quiet, that's when you build your positions, yeah? You don't build it in transit. Do not take positions in transit. You will get wrecked, especially on leverage, right? You need the calm. You need the calm. Think about getting into a car You do not try to get into a car when it's driving on the highway. You wait till the car pulls up, puts on the handbrake, then it's safe to get in, right? That's my analogy. But yeah, damn, that aggregator volume. Might turn that down a touch, it's getting really loud. That might be a little better. Yeah, it is hard to say what's gonna happen for the rest of today. I know what I want to happen. I want it to pump, but yeah, gotta be always cautious and open to the fact that this could dump out. But damn, I would not stand in the way of this. I would not be looking for shorts during this violent move. It's very dangerous. It's absolutely mayhem. Yeah, the aggregator's beautiful. During these two candles, it sounded like... it's like a symphony of buying. I'll be right back. Well, my little forecast for the weekend was totally wrong. I thought we were just gonna chop sideways with low volume, but no sir. This website, you can go in here and adjust the threshold of how much of the sounds you're hearing, and you know what exchanges. You can filter out certain exchanges. You can see FTX got scrubbed and HIT BTC got scrubbed. But yeah, audio, you can turn that down. You can adjust the pitch. You can make it real high pitched. You can make it really low pitched. Might be a bit better on your ears.